Did you know that on February 6th, a car was sent into space? Here's real footage of the car in space. This was made possible by the world's most powerful rocket, the Falcon Heavy. The company that created the rocket is SpaceX. SpaceX wants to send people to Mars by 2024. The estimated cost per launch is $7 million. The Big Falcon rocket, or BFR, will be around 324 feet tall and also weigh around 4,856 tons at the time of its launch. Powered by the BFR, SpaceX plans to colonize Mars, making humans a multiplanetary species.
I think it would be a fun experience to live on Mars and discover new places.
I mean, I think it'd kind of be cool. Is Mars the planet they say it's like similar to Earth? Okay, yeah. But like, I don't know. It'd be scary.
I wouldn't want to go.
She'll never want to go nowhere.
Cause I don't know. I'm accustomed to Earth.
What's gonna happen when Earth die?
How do you know that? You don't know Earth is gonna die. But if Earth does die, then I will be in Mars.
I think I'd want to be one of the first people to go to Mars because, like, it's an unexplored world and it sounds like it'd be really fun.